For iOS 16.3.1 or earlier, go to Settings, choose General, click VPN and Device Management. Select and remove the iOS 18 beta profile. Finally, restart your iPhone to apply the change. For iOS 16.4 or later, go to Settings, General, Software Update, Beta Updates. Select the beta updates and choose to turn it off. Restart your iPhone and wait for the next cycle of iOS update. If you prefer to use iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac, follow the steps below. Navigate to the IPSW website, select your iPhone model, and download the desired version of iOS. Turn off your iPhone, plug in the cable that have already connected to your Mac or Windows, and press and hold the power button to get it into recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, iTunes should detect your device and offer you the option to restore or update. Hold Shift key and choose Restore and select the compatible iOS version you downloaded earlier. Once the process is complete, your iPhone will reboot and downgrade to iOS 17, and you can continue setting up your device. If you choose to restore your iPhone, then all your data will be wiped out. In this situation, you can use PhoneTool to back up your data before the downgrade and restore your data back after the downgrading process. It's totally free. You can hit the link in the description to use this tool. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.